Mark Nugent is my name, and I work for Two Bear Management in Kalispell, Montana. I've been working there for about 12 years. I have been in aviation for 30 plus years. Interesting to note, I was a Duncan employee. I worked at Duncan as an airframe mechanic for probably 10 years. You know, we're here for this visit for winglets and paint and interior work. We came here mainly because it's one-stop shopping. It's a competitive quote that we had for the whole project, and we can get everything done with one visit. We chose to install winglets because it improves the efficiency of the airplane, improves the ride of the airplane, makes the airplane look more modern, increases the airplane's value. We chose to get winglets at this visit because we're doing a large inspection and lots of other work, and it's one-stop shopping when I come to Duncan with the airplane. We can get our winglets done, our engines, interior work, avionics work, and so on. I understand this is the 100th installation Duncan's done on winglets, so we know you guys can do the job right. I was a Duncan employee, worked here in the airframe shop for 10 years, so I'm a little partial to Duncan, but having visited other service centers as a customer, I think Duncan does it a little bit better.